video, I am going to share with you what is the circle of fourths in music. Hi, my name is Ilse Lozoya. Thank you for watching this video. Maybe you have heard about the circle of fourths. It is related to the circle of fifths. This is really important. Why? Because that's how all the key signatures are constructed in music. If you watch this key signature of any song, you will find sharps or flats. When we talk about sharps, we are talking about the circle of fifths. Now, the circle of fourths, we are talking about flats. How do we get to this? How do we know which is the next key that we are going to find when we follow this? Well, I'm going to play the C major. Everything comes from the C major scale. If I divide this, playing the next C as well, I will find that from C to the next C, I have 8 notes, and I am going to divide this into 2 sections of 4 notes, and this is a tetrachord. So in this circle, what I'm going to do, I am going to take the first tetrachord of C major, and this is going to become the second tetrachord of F of the next key. And as you see, if this is the second tetrachord, then the next key is going to finish on F. And if we're beginning from C, F is the 4th note of the scale. That's why this is called circle of fourths. Then I'm going to begin from F. Why am I playing B flat? Well, this video is not exactly about the structure of the major scale, but when we follow the structure, we find that we need to add some accidentals. So we played C major, then we have F major, and we have our first flat. This is B flat. Then I'm going to divide this scale into 2 tetrachords, and the first tetrachord finish on B flat, so this is going to be the next scale. So B flat, and B flat has B flat and E flat, right? So now I am playing, this is the first tetrachord, and this is going to become the second tetrachord, so the next key is going to be E flat. Now, the next one is going to be, the fourth is going to be A flat. Actually, this is a perfect fourth. The interval is a perfect fourth. So now I'm going to play for A flat. So the next key is going to be A, B, C, D flat. Now it's going to be, the next one is going to be D flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next key is going to be G flat. Right? So we have G flat. And this is the order where all the flats appear. And it is important to understand why we are going to find these flats written at the key signature in this order exactly. We have B, E, A, D in this order, and we must really understand why and use it because everything is about the major scales and keys in music. And if you are a pianist and you are practicing scales, major scales, it is really recommended to play first the circle of fifths and then the circle of fourths. This is really going to help you because it goes in a progressive way. All the accidentals appear in a progressive way. That's a very important thing. And well, this was the explanation of circle of fourths. If you like this video, if you found it useful, well, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any videos of tips on music on how to be a better pianist and music student.